Hi and welcome to Stealth Security. In today's video, we are going to look at Nikto. Nikto is a web application vulnerability scanner. Nikto is similar to Nmap because when we want to start testing a server, we use Nmap to perform a scan and to see if there are any open ports, services, or operating systems. Similarly, we use Nikto to gather information about a web server. Nikto has over 6,700 vulnerabilities in this database, and Nikto will cross-check the web server with all these vulnerabilities to see if the web server has any issues. And these issues can be misconfigurations, exposed directories, and a variety of other issues. Let's start with the help command. We can see that there are a few options, but the main one is the host command. So right now we need an IP address to perform a scan. Let's go and find one from the DBWA lab. So this lab belongs to HackerSub. If you don't know what HackerSub is, it's a private community of ethical hackers. We have beginner-friendly courses, hands-on labs. We have live hacking sessions every week. And there is a free trial. We can try it out for 7 days before you decide to pay $19 a month. So be sure to check it out if you're more interested in cybersecurity. So I've started a server for me to scan, and let me grab the IP address. So the command to perform a Nikto scan is Nikto, H, and HTTP. Don't forget to add the HTTP if you're using an IP address. Let's see what Nikto finds. We can see that Nikto has found that it's running Apache 2.4.7. We can quickly do a web search to see if Apache 2.4.7 has any existing vulnerabilities. If you're lucky enough to find some remote code execution vulnerability, then you can take control of the server. You can see that it has robots.txt, which will give us some information, and there is a config directory which is exposed. You can also see that there are some vulnerability numbers, which we can find more information using a Google search. Let's open the browser and start doing some enumeration. So if I go to the IP address, we can see that there is a login page. And if you notice, Nikto has even found this login.php, an admin page. Let's look at the config directory, see what we can find. There is some PHP configuration which is exposed. And let's look at what this vulnerability is. So this looks like a buffer overflow vulnerability in PHP. Interesting. As you can see, Nikto has pointed out a few critical issues with this web application. So Nikto is a great tool to perform a quick scan of a web server to see if we can find any issues. And these can be great entry points when you're doing a web application pen testing or even for bug bounty hunting. It's often the first tool that web application pen testers use to gather as much information about the system as possible. Nikto's results cannot always be accurate, so it's better to cross-check it with other tools like DIR Buster or Metasploit. But Nikto is a very handy tool for us to quickly check if the web server has any issues. I hope this helped you understand how Nikto works. I know this is a short video. Nikto is a simple tool, but extremely useful. If you have any questions regarding Nikto, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to watch more cybersecurity related content. And I'll see you soon with a new topic. Cheers.